Hey everyone, this video is going to be a practical guide for those who don't have anyone to practice English with. If you don't have any English partner, I am here to help you with that, because I had the same problem. When I started speaking English, I had the same problem. I had no one whom I could practice English with. But I didn't let that stop me from becoming fluent speaker in this language. And I will tell you why. Because I come from a very small village, as you can see, as you can hear the background noise. It's a tractor plowing the field. So if you want to know the essential methods, essential techniques that will make you a fluent speaker in this language, bear with me. So let's get started and talk about how you can be a fluent speaker as soon as possible at your home. Learn English the way you have learned your mother tongue. Go back to your childhood and think, how have you learned your mother tongue? Were you reading something, like you are reading to speak English fluently? You were learning grammars to speak English fluently. Were you reading something to learn your mother tongue? Were you writing something to learn your mother tongue? Were you thinking in your mother tongue when you were learning this language, like your mother tongue? No, you were doing nothing like that. You were observing your parents, you were observing your siblings, you were observing the people around you, and that's how you have picked up your mother tongue. And that's how I want you to learn English too. I want you to bring that approach to learning this language too. You can listen to this language as much as possible, and for that you can watch blogs in English. The most important thing that you can do when learning English the way you have learned your mother tongue is watch blogs in this language, watch real things happening in this language, and that's how you will pick up this language very quickly. Okay, you don't need to learn a lot of grammar rules to become fluent in this language. You can just listen to this language and copy what other people are talking in this language, and you can just become fluent in this language. To become fluent in English as soon as possible, you can immerse yourself into this language. And what do I mean by immersing yourself into this language? I want you to, whatever you are doing, it should be in English. If you are walking, think in English. If you are talking, talk in English. If you are eating, eat in English. What do I mean by that is immerse yourself in English. If you're reading something, read that in English. If you're watching something on YouTube, it should be in English. Immerse yourself for at least 3 to 4 months and see the result of yourself. You will be astonished by the result you would see after 3 months of practicing the methods that I am telling you to practice. Okay, so you would not recognize yourself if you practice what I am saying. I think it's likely to rain in a few minutes. Like you can see the black clouds in the sky. If I can show you, you can see. Okay, so yeah, you have to be immerse yourself into this language if you want to become fluent in this language as soon as possible. If you don't have anyone, just speak this language to yourself every single day. If you want to become fluent speaker in English, you need to pay attention to 4 things every single day, like 5 things actually: reading, listening, writing, and speaking. And the most important thing is thinking in this language. How are you going to do this all at your home? Let me tell you, I read something or the other every single day, and I read the books that I love to read. It's not that someone is saying read this book and you will be a fluent speaker in English. No, I don't listen to anyone. I listen to myself. I just read the books that I love to read. For example, I am reading books. Let me show you what I am reading. The first book I am reading is Psycho-Cybernetics, and the genre is self-help books. This is a self-help book, and it's going to rewire your mind. If you read this book, you are going to be a completely changed person after reading this book. And the second book I am reading is going to be Limitless by Jim Quick. It's book about how you can learn anything in very short amount of time using techniques within this book. And the third book that I am reading recently it's very, very, very necessary for you to read this book if you are in your early 20s. This book name is Thinking Fast and Slow where do you need to think slow, where do you need to think fast. This book is actually the best book I have ever read on how our mind works, and this is a masterpiece. I will call Buy It Fast. It says buy it fast, read it slowly, it will change the way you think. So yeah, these are the books that I am reading recently. And the second thing, that is writing. If you want to think clearly, if you want to articulate your thoughts in best way possible, you have to pen your thoughts down on a piece of paper every single day. You need to write something or the other every single day, so that you don't have difficulty in delivering your thoughts in front of people. So that would be the best way you can articulate your thoughts, by penning your thoughts down on a piece of paper or in your notebook. Actually, when it comes to speaking, as I told you, that you have to speak about something or the other every single day. If you don't have anyone, talk to yourself. That's the way you are going to become a fluent speaker. Now, when it comes to thinking in English, how do you start thinking in English? Let me tell you how I started thinking in English. First of all, I started leveling things in English. Whenever I used to see something, I used to level that. Like, I started with words, like that is a rod, that's a tree, that's a brick. I started labeling my thoughts every single day. That's how I started thinking in English. Then I moved to thinking in sentences, like I am going there, he's coming, I am going to teach you something, like a small sentences. Then I moved to paragraphs. That's how I learned to think in English. Now let me tell you the most important thing. When you will start reading books, and when you will find the books that you love to read, it might be possible for you that you get addicted to reading books. When you will start listening, you might find something that you love listening to, and you might get trapped. You will stuck in that loop, like you will always listen to something, you will always read books, but you will never practice. So don't forget to practice what you are learning, because it's the needle mover. Like, you have to practice this language in order to become fluent in this language. Don't only listen to this language, don't only read books. All you need to do is, whatever you are learning from reading, whatever you are learning from listening, whatever you are learning from writing, I want you to put that thing into use. That's how you will become fluent speaker in as short amount of time as possible. This is my real experience, and I have been teaching English for the past 3 years, and I have been learning English for the past 5 to 6 years. But I was not that serious, but I became serious about improving my communication skills in English in 2024, in December 2024, and that's when I started this YouTube channel. The reason I created this YouTube channel was to improve only my English. After a few months, I noticed that people wanted to learn from me, and that's when I started making unique content for them. Okay, and yeah, this is what I'm doing. I found it quite enjoyable doing, and that's what you can do also. You can start a YouTube channel, and you can also make videos, and if you will improve, people are going to follow you, and you will get motivation from there, and you will continue doing this, and you will continue improving your communication skill as well. So yeah, this was the perfect guide for you. If you want to become a fluent speaker in English, these are the things that you need to be doing on a daily basis. And at the end of this video, I want to say, if you found this video helpful, I just want you to hit the like button, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel, because it motivates me to make more videos. And if you want me to make more videos, just let me know in the comment section. You can see it started drizzling out, and yeah, you can see. Bye bye.